Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's our workout is arms and delt workout. So the first variation here is lateral raises. Here I am featuring my client Anjali Jaru in this workout. So the first variation she performing is lateral raise with a pause hold using dumbbells. We'll be doing 7 variations with using barbells and dumbbells for 3 to 4 sets each. So the first variation we are doing here is for the shoulders, and then we'll be going back to the bicep and then a tricep variation, and then we'll be coming to the shoulder, bicep and tricep. So the second variation here is for biceps, which is hammer curls. We are using the same weight dumbbell for hitting our biceps with a hammer curl variation. Make sure you squeeze your bicep while coming all the way up and stretch your bicep all the way down. Make sure the form is right all the time. Here we are doing some pause reps with alternative hands. If you are not aware of pause reps, or if you are a beginner, you can continue with the normal reps of hammer curls. Things you got to keep in mind while hitting this variation is don't extend your arms forward and backward. All you need to do is move your forearms, squeezing that bicep and getting that forearms down. Your arm should be in a constant position, which is the proper form for hitting those biceps with hammer curls. Once we are done hitting those reps, I am making her squeeze and extend for a few more seconds. And the third variation here is overhead dumbbell extension for the triceps. If you see her form, she is taking the dumbbell all the way down and extending it to the top, keeping her elbows closed, which is the perfect way to activate your triceps. My client Anjali Jaru is a pretty advanced weightlifter. If you are not comfortable using 2 dumbbells, you can use a single dumbbell at a time. Once you're done hitting the dumbbell overhead extension, we'll be supersetting it with the dumbbell kickback. Lot of women worry about their arm fat, which lies in their triceps. So to get rid of that fat and tighten your triceps, you can use this variation, dumbbell overhead extension and dumbbell kickback. If you can't do it as a superset, you can even perform separately. So fifth variation here is for the biceps using a barbell. So I am making Anjali Jaru use a EZ barbell as it is more comfortable for her to lift and it is wrist friendly. All the tension here is on the bicep muscle rather than the wrist joint. Make sure you squeeze the bicep all the way up and extend it slowly down on your last rep as it creates more tension on your muscle. So once we're done with the biceps, we'll go to the shoulders now. So the sixth variation here is barbell OHP. OHP overhead press. This variation is for the shoulders. Here I'm making my client use a straight barbell for doing the overhead press. If you can't lift it on your own, make sure you have a friend, spotter or a trainer to support you. So the last variation here is for the triceps using a barbell skull crusher. I am making her use a EZ bar close grip, which is wrist friendly as I said it previously. If you are comfortable with a straight barbell, there is nothing wrong in using that. It's all individual preference. If you want to go with a EZ one, you can. If you want to go with a straight barbell, you can use it absolutely without any problem. Make sure you bring the barbell all the way down to your head and extend it using your triceps. All the tension should be on your tricep muscle. As this is a finisher variation, she's struggling to get those reps, which is a kick-ass workout. Hope you liked this video, guys. thank you. Signing off for today. See you again. Bye.